7-15 down. 11:47 left in the first half. They've been shooting the lights out with threes. We trading twos for threes. That's the point difference. Cut back. Get over there. Get over there, B. Ah! Come on, Derek. Go to work, Derek. Short. Depth perception's messed up in here. So open. All the way. Come on, guys. Nice. Killing me, letting him set up. You got that dude will not give up the ball. Go ahead, Noah. Good work, Noah. (14-16 down). 9 minutes left. Let's go. Get there, AJ. You gotta back up, dude. Get there, hands up. Get big, get big. There you go. Oh, he is out. It's 18-16 us. Score is 33-21 us. They thought they were going to blow us out, but some things just changed. Number 5 on their team got a tech, so their coach can't even coach or talk anymore. He has to sit down. It's racist. Yeah, they're not looking at Scrappy. They're not covering Scrappy like the other two. They're not covering Scrappy like the other two. They don't know. They don't know. They don't know. Get their hands up. Give up the ball. There we go. The next time he does it, they're going to say, B.
I had those straight pieces, and I cut them out of my hair on this side. What? They weren't doing me any good.
so. What? Hush, bucket.
I'm such a bucket. Carter Brown, add me on Snapchat.
He didn't make it, did he?
It's it was a. Which one? Your mind already knew.
No, it was one of, yeah. Nice work!
Foul! That was a foul!
Get up, Mark.
BJ.
Did BJ make that?
Yeah.
Good. Can you keep track of his points, please? That was 2, right? Hands, hands, hands! He does not like you! Hand in his face, hand in his face, hand in his face! Ah! 5 is mentally checked out. Scrappy Dappy Doo.
What was that?
Woo!
That was the cringiest thing I've ever heard in my entire life.
Scrappy Dappy Doo.
What is this? He called the foul.
Shh.
Why am I being quiet?
I don't need all this on my tape. Ah!
Don't record.
Come on. Ooh, nice rebound, Noah. Look up. Ah! Halftime. This is my favorite lineup right here. 9 minutes left, 57-40 us. 57-41 us. It's got Noah, DeAndre, Marcotis, Keenan, and BJ. That was just a Hail Mary. Yep. Come on, guys. Hand in his face. Get a hand in his face. How was that kid going in there like that? Hail Mary. Yeah. Push.
Y'all just the hop skip thing he does is so funny to me.
Get the rebound, baby. Get the rebound. There it is.
That's 5, I'm not sure.
Let's go. 5 points? No.
I think it's a minimum 5. It's a minimum.
No, I think that's 8. He hit a 2 and a 3 before.
I think it's he didn't take it.
Yeah, I think it's 8.
I think you had 2.
Hands, hands, hands! Come on, guys. No easy looks. That's all right.
I think about it. He doesn't. He was a good point guard.
He's the leader.
He's a true point guard.
That's right. Take care of the ball, guys. Take care of the ball.
Nice.
Oh!
He didn't know
Took his head off. No, he landed funny. He walked. Vince is playing the 5? What the hell? Oh, he had the backside. Nice shot. They're running motion Keenan. Let's see what that looks like. See if it works out. This poor dude can't get this dude off his shoulder now. Come on, Mark. Wait. We'll take that. He's playing up in that New Jersey boarding school circuit. That's like what they play like. You
gotta be really good to play in New England.
I mean, there's people like, you know, like, damn, he just ran into Keenan.
He didn't know what.
No, he didn't. He wanted to be patient. He thought the kid was going to land on him. Oh, I didn't know if you were saying he didn't know where he was. It's a totally different game when Josh isn't in the game. They've been like attacking the basket, throwing it to the low post player. He kicked the ball. Ah! Damn, Noah. How do you see the ball behind you, bro? Maybe they call it intentional or something.
Yeah, they did.
We'll have to ask.
This.
There you go. Get your space.
Nice box out, Mason.
Strap is gone. All that time he got to look at it. It's crazy. Come on, Key. That's all you. Oh, come on, Mason. Good work. Beautiful move. Beautiful. That's all right. DJ's out of the game, but the score is 73-48 with 4 minutes and 3 seconds. It's 74-48. Sorry, he just made the free throw. 4 minutes and 3 seconds left. We shouldn't have AJ playing either. They're like, oh my God, anybody they put on me is hurting me. Defense, that was gorgeous. Adrian and Mason going up together. Ooh, that was pretty. Oh, he turned and AJ was right there. They're playing some defense, aren't they? Give it up. Oh! Come on. That's all right. Good work, Buster. Get back, get back, get back. Why are you so short? Good job, sir. Tom. 74-49. Us. 2:37 left in the game. Come on, AJ. Come on, baby. You got to make a better shot. (74-53). Come on, scrap. (76-53). 23-point game, minute 57 left in the game. Come on, D! Come on, defense! Let's go, guys. Get what you want. Run the offense. Run the offense. Tanika is here. The whole crowd noise has changed now. It's hilarious.
It's her voice now.
Yeah. Come on, Derek. Get on the floor. Oh, he's on the floor. Ah. Nice work, Derek. know he gonna shoot the ball. They need that blue team. They need some clear outs. They need that play we have where you set the picks